In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice style in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your assistant sounds the way you prefer, clear, friendly, and perfectly suited to your workflow. Let's start by getting into your Perplexity account. Open the Perplexity website or app and sign in so you're on your main screen. Being logged in ensures your voice settings are saved to your account and carry over wherever you use Perplexity. If you're on a shared device, just make sure you're in the correct account before proceeding. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the Launch Voice button. It's typically placed in the upper area of the interface, making it easy to spot. Click or tap Launch Voice to open the voice experience. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your window, checking that you're on the latest version of the app or switching to the web version. Availability can vary by region and device, so those small checks can help. Inside the voice interface, find the Settings icon, the small gear symbol. It's usually in a corner of the screen. Click that to open your voice settings. This is where all the customization options live, so you can fine-tune how Perplexity sounds during spoken interactions. In the Settings panel, choose Voice Style. This section controls the overall character of the assistant's voice. Think of it as the personality and tone, whether you want something calm and neutral, upbeat and engaging, or more authoritative. Selecting Voice Style will take you to a list of available options. On the Voice Style screen, browse the voices presented to you. Each style is designed to be distinct, so consider where you'll be listening. A quiet office, a busy commute, or a hands-free environment. Pick a voice that feels easy to understand and comfortable over longer sessions. Many users prefer a balanced tone that's clear without being too sharp or too soft. When you select a voice, Perplexity will apply that style to your voice interactions. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and switch again in seconds. That's all it takes. Open your account, launch the voice interface, head into Settings, choose Voice Style, and select the voice you want. If anything doesn't appear as expected, a quick refresh, sign-in check, or app update often resolves it. Enjoy your new voice style and make your conversations with Perplexity feel truly your own.